3.3 Commutative, Associative, Distributive properties. Commute means to move around. Now, we know 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 6 is also 9. That makes sense, as we can see here. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is also 8. So we can move these around. So for example, I can move the 3 over here. In front of the 6, and the answer is the same. This is called the commutative property. So we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. We can also say that A times B is equal to B times A. This is not true for subtraction and division, but it works for addition and multiplication. So for example, 47 minus 33 plus 39 is equal to which of the following? Okay. Well, we have these three. Right here, we have these three. We can actually move them around. Instead of 47, 47 is really plus 47. We have these ones. We can move them around. Oops. And our expression still works. For example, 47 plus 39 minus 33 is true. 39 plus 47 minus 33 is true. 39 minus 33 plus 47 is true. So let's figure out which one is true. We have 33. Well, I can't make 33 because it's a negative 33. So A is wrong. B, 47. Okay, I have 47 here. Plus 33, I can't. I have a minus 33 here. 47. Okay, that's okay. Minus 39, I can't do that. I have a plus 39. Okay, so the last one should work. 39 plus 47 minus 33. So the commutative property says we can move these around, and it's still true. So why is it useful? Well, 3 plus 18 plus 27, technically we go left to right. 18 plus 3 is 21, plus 27, which gets us 48. But it's easier if we can move it around. Instead of doing 9 plus 18 plus 27, let's do 3 plus, instead of doing 3 plus 18 plus 27, let's do 3 plus 27 plus 18. 27 plus 3 is 30. That's easier. Same with multiplication. Instead of saying 4 times 9 times 5, which is 36 times 5, which is 180. It's easier if we do 4 times 5 first. That's 20 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. So 20 times 9 must be 180. So we can apply the commutative property here. That will be 17 plus 33 plus 58. That gives us 50 plus 58 is 108. For this one, that's 8 times 5 times 7. It's not the only way to do it, but it's easier. 4 times 7 is 28. So 40 times 7, 280. Next, associate. Associate means someone you're in a group with, like you are in a group with. For example, coworker. These people in the picture are coworkers, so they're associates. Associative property. So we can do, because we can do them in any order, we can say 6 plus 3 plus 4. Well, that's 9 plus 3, which is 12. We can also do 6 plus 3 plus 4, which is 6 plus 7, which is 13. Whoops, 9 plus, it should be 9 plus 4 right here. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Yep. We get the same answer. So we know that we can group them. We can group these two first, or we can group these two first. We'll get the same answer. Same with multiplication. That's 8 times 3, which is 24. That's 2 times 12, which is also 24. And that makes sense. 2 times 4 times 3, we can do each of these ones. There are 8 squares here, 8 more, and then 8 more, so 24. Or we can do 12 on top, 12 on the bottom, that's 24. So associative property means we can group them however we want. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. You can group them. Also true for multiplication, but not necessarily true for subtraction and division. Why is it useful? Same reason as the commutative property, really. I can group them this way instead. Okay, so, sorry, I had to change the question. So, this we can do, that's 26 plus 23, which is 47. But it's easier to group them a little bit differently and do this first. Similarly for this one, yeah, that's 5 times 14, but it's easier to group them this way. Okay. So to apply the associative property, and sorry, let's make the, so this is 13 plus 27 plus 49, which equals 89. Okay. Last one, distributive property. Distribute means to give. If I give it to you and you and you, that's to distribute. As we can see, 3 times 2 plus 4 is 3 times 8, which is 24. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4, that's 6, plus 12, whoops, which is 18, sorry. 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18. So you get the same answer. 3 times 2 plus 4 is saying 2 plus 4, do it 3 times. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4, we get the same answer. So distributive property says A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus B A times C. Of course, we can apply the commutative property to show that this is also true then. Yep, so they're both true. Why is it useful? Well, here's one reason. 7 times 203, that's kind of annoying to do. But we can just do it this way. 203 is 200 plus 3. So this is really 7 times 200 plus 7 times 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 200 is 1400 plus 21, which is 1421. This teacher, Japanese teacher, is teaching her kids. Can see that 96 divided by 3 is 32. Why? Because 96 is 90 plus 6. That's 90 divided by 3 plus 6 divided by 3, which is 30 plus 2, which is 32. So commutative means we can move these around. Associative means we can regroup. Distributive means that we can distribute this across. So we can do this first, and then that. Which property is this? Well, this, notice that we're distributing this way. So this is the distributive property. This one's a bit tricky. We're not distributing. See, we're not doing this, and we're not doing this. Instead, we're moving these. If we move these around, we would get 2 plus 3, 4. So we have really moved things around. Moving means commutative property. So this is an example of commutative property. Okay, that's it.